Hello from F5 Biology, chapter 4, video number 42. Still the growth of the plants, secondary growth. But secondary growth for the stem, 它的茎怎样进行 secondary growth? Okay, after you understand the secondary growth of the root, that means this title is still almost the same. Okay, just a diagram different only 啦，图片有一点小差别，没有什么大不了。Okay, so this video should be faster, 应该会更简单，更容易解释。Okay, so just after the primary growth, okay, the stem cell actually look like this, not the stem cell, the stem actually look like this. 它的茎看起来是这样子的。It contain epidermis, 嫩嫩的啦，嫩嫩的叫 epidermis， 暂时罢了啦。Cortex 也就是它的肉来的啦。Okay, base 好像木这样的东西咯。Okay, the center, this is a vascular bundle. 整堆呢叫 vascular bundle, 血脉组织。And the center will be the vascular cambium. 我们的大楼啊，它做新细胞的。And for those who are facing inwards, okay, in the vascular bundle, this will be the primary xylem tissue. Facing outwards 永远都是 primary front tissue. So this is what happened at the beginning, before the secondary growth, just after the primary growth. 它只有这些简单的组织。And after a while, 1 day, 2 days, after they start the secondary growth. So what happens? 什么事情发生呢？ If you talk about the stem, 如果你讲到茎啊 different from the root, you know, 跟那个根不一样啊。Okay, so vascular tissue, vascular bundle, vascular cambium, vascular cambium, vascular cambium, they're going to join together. 它会结合起来变成一个圈的哦。But not available for the root, 根没有这回事的。So they become cambium ring, 变成一个圈叫 cambium ring. Okay, so the center is still the vascular cambium. Okay, and now they start to making a new layer of cell that push the old cell inwards. So primary xylem 被人家推进里面了。The new layer of cell will be 这一层新的叫什么名字呢？ Secondary xylem tissue. Secondary xylem tissue. Another layer that push the old tissue upwards. This is a secondary front tissue 了。Secondary front tissue. Okay, 它开始长大了。So cambium ring not available in the root, but available on the ring, on the stems. Okay, after a while, after 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, I don't know what happened. It come again, 它又再来了。是木来的 cambium, vascular cambium, they join together become cambium ring. 它已经连起来变成一个圆圈了。Okay, and now you see more obvious, more clearer. The new layer of tissue pushing some tissue inward, 对不对？这一层叫 secondary xylem, pushing the primary xylem tissue inwards, 把老的推进去，越来越肥，越来越肥，越来越肥，越来越肥了，然后里面就越来越密，越来越密，越来越硬。Okay.Another new layer of tissue pushing the old tissue upwards. So 这一层叫什么名字呢？ Secondary front tissue, pushing the primary front tissue upwards. 把那个 primary front tissue 推出外面。Okay, so it continue to grow until the end of the secondary growth dance. The stem will be look like this. 它的茎呢，看起来就是这样子的。Okay, 来 ，Cork will be formed.本来是 epidermis 暖暖嫩嫩的，对不对？ At the end of the secondary growth, it will become cork, 变成了软木。So under the cork, it will be cork cambium 了，就有一层的 cork cambium， 刚才形成的 cork cambium。哦，没有提起啊。Yeah, like the cork cambium will be formed， 新的，本来没有的。Epidermis become the cork, and cork cambium will be formed。它多了一层东西叫 cork cambium。Okay, this is vascular cambium。这一层就是新的 secondary xylem tissue， 老的跑进里面了。Okay, secondary front tissue pushing the primary front tissue upwards. Okay, so this is what happened after the secondary growth dance. 考试它给的就是这两个图片啦，那 X 和 Y。So diagram below, diagram 2.1 below or whatever the one below. So plants under the primary growth in the X and the secondary growth in the Y's. So state the differences in the structure for the primary growth. For the plant stems after the primary growth and secondary growth, 请讲出这两种 growth 之前之后的差别。So again, I'm going to write the answer 1, 2, 3 for you. Okay, So just after the primary growth, plant having a layer called epidermis. But after the primary growth, secondary growth, after the secondary growth, epidermis is going to become cork. 这是第一个差别。Okay? Or before the secondary growth, plant does not contain any layer called cork cambium, but after secondary growth, it contains cork cambium. 它有了多了一层叫 cork cambium. 3, 4 will be simple, okay? So before the secondary growth, plant just contains primary from tissue. But after the secondary growth, beside the primary from tissue, it also contains a secondary from tissue. Before, it just contains a primary, okay, xylem tissue, but after, beside the primary xylem tissue, it also contains a secondary xylem tissue. 它也是有的。还有什么差别呢 ？OK， 还有一个差别在这边。For the plants, okay, for the plant stem after the secondary growth, it contains a cambium ring. All the vascular cambium join together become cambium ring, 形成了 cambium ring.But not available for the primary growth. Primary 的时候没有这回事的，明白吗 ？And another one, the pitch 它的 cork 啦 ，finally they're going to become the wood, you know. 最后的一个差别呢 ，OK? So it's going to make the cork will become the wood. 它会变成木质晶去了，它的木呢就会变得很硬起来，里面中间就会变成木，里面的组织那些干掉的 secondary xylem tissue going to forming the wood. So this is the difference 它的差别 ，OK? 来。But if you compare the tropical rainforest plant together with the plant from the country called climate country or maybe temperate country or maybe 叫什么 country 那种温带国家 Okay, so the plant like this will be called perennial plants， 就是有四季的春夏秋冬的国家的植物啊。If you compare to the rainforest,Even the rainforest having something indifferent. So our next title going to talk about the secondary growth for the perennial plants. 有春夏秋冬四季的国家，它们的植物的 secondary growth 有什么不一样呢 ？Okay, so this will be the next video 啦，下一个 video 了。Okay, so secondary growth of the stem complete now 又收工了，对不对？它们有一些差别了。讲考，等一下啦，看 exercise。拜拜，拜拜。